This compact mini ITX chassis squeezes a full desktop system into a very small footprint, making it ideal for crowded desks or small apartments. Despite the tiny volume, it comfortably fits modern dual-slot graphics cards in a vertical layout, so you can run serious gaming or creative workloads without a bulky tower. The steel mesh panels and pair of slim 120mm fans provide strong, directed airflow that keeps components cooler than many closed front compact cases. Build quality feels solid with its dense steel frame, reinforced corners, and side handle, so the case is easy to carry while still feeling durable enough for frequent travel. Front panel connectivity is well thought out with a fast Type-C port, 2 high-speed Type-A ports, and support for compact SFX power supplies and 2.5-inch drives. Included PCI Express and DisplayPort extension cables make it much easier to route a vertical graphics card cleanly and hook up high refresh rate displays without extra purchases.